In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now tap on Google. Select All Services. And scroll again, this time to click on Autofill with Google here. Tap on Google Password Manager. Select one of your passwords you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. If your password is too long, you can also hit Edit and check it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!